Today, I'm going to talk about 5 of my most valuable tools that I bring with me when I go fishing. Number 1, it may seem very obvious, but a pair of scissors to cut the line so that when you want to change baits. Bonus points if they're your scissors from like 3rd grade. Next, we have a tripod. This will help you when you catch a big fish and nobody is with you to take your picture. Sometimes selfies just don't do the fish justice. So what I'll do is I'll adjust this to my phone. I will set the tripod up, making sure that I'm giving the fish lots of dips to keep it alive while I'm doing so. And then put it on video, walk out in front of it, and boom. Now you have a good picture with your trophy fish. No one will ever believe you if you don't have the picture. Next, we've got lip grippers, okay? Most of the time, I would say grab that bass by the mouth. But if you are fishing and you catch a giant and you are dipping it in the water, like I just said, so that you can get a picture with it, but you want to keep it alive, pop that open and put it on the lip grippers and put your hand through the strap so that that fish does not get away while you're giving it water. One of my biggest fish that I ever caught, I almost lost it before I got a picture, and that would have been devastating if that were to happen. Also, if you catch snakehead, you can reach under their gill slit and grab them that way, but this is a lot more effective. You just slide that in their mouth, shut it, and boom, they're not coming off of that. Next item, we have this cool little hook remover. So the way that it works is you get it inside. Hold on. Imagine for a moment that this hook is inside the fish's mouth. It would help if I could see what I'm doing. And removed. Too easy. I will say sometimes you grab the hook and then instead of removing it, it wants to like slide up and down the hook, but you can hold the hook pretty firmly, so I would recommend it. It's really come in handy sometimes, especially in one of the most recent videos, one of the red-breasted sunfish that I caught. The hook went pretty deep in his mouth, and I couldn't get my fingers in there. My fingers are wider than this, but I was able to get this down in there and remove the hook just fine. So, big deal to have this. I recommend it. If not, a good pair of pliers, I would also recommend having. Last, but certainly not least, especially for bass fishing, you're going to want a scale. This one, honestly, I have no idea who makes it. As you can see, I've had it for a long time. It was like 20 bucks at Dick's Sporting Goods, I think, when I got it. If you are somebody who, if you power this on and it shows it on kilograms, all you have to do is when it powers on, just press the button and it will switch. So just like that, it's on kilograms, press the button, now it's on pounds. Don't press it again. Pretty much the only controls that you have with this thing. But that is my 5 most valuable items that I bring with me fishing, other than obviously the rod and the baits and my bag to carry all that. Let me know if there's any other things that you bring with you fishing that you think that maybe I should add to my collection. But these are my main things, and I thought I'd share them with you in case you needed ideas and you're just getting into fishing. So, if you like this video, please consider subscribing, like this video, and I will see you in the next one.